Hello, YouTube audience, prospective subscribers. Okay, I've been wanting to make this video for a while. It's low tech, me, my little background. Guys, I'm really getting sick of this. Well, I'm not sick of it. All right, let's not start out like it's drama. This is not directed towards anyone. I hate to say that all the time. My goodness, it's not directed towards anyone. Guys, I want to help you be a better YouTuber. By the way, I have a whole series and playlist. It's called YouTube Life Lessons. It's to help you. I get to share everything I've learned years and years on YouTube. All right, watch it. It can help you, especially if you're a new YouTuber. Okay, let's jump into it. I'll try to keep this somewhat short. Tell me at the end of this video what you thought of it. Do you agree, disagree? What's your opinion? And tell me if you made it through the whole video. I always like to know that. And don't lie. Don't lie. Okay, here's what I'm talking about. Live streams. There's two aspects to them. The host of the live stream and the guests that come up on the live stream. I'm talking about a panel live stream. Guys, gals, I see this all the time. Out of control live streams. It gets out of control in two different ways. The host will lose control of the live stream. The guest will tunnel vision and take over the live stream. If you're doing this, stop it! Now, let me explain what this means. When you go on a live stream and you're a guest, okay, on a panel, and someone says, hey, you want to come up here? And they say, yeah, come up. What happens is you're in a binding contract. That's right, a binding contract. You're like, what the hell does that mean? I don't like contracts. You become part of a team. It's like a sales team. So every square up there is now a assembled team for the audience of that chat, okay? So a team functions best when you all work together. That's how football teams work. That's how basketball teams work. Okay, it's a team. You've got to be aware that you are talking too much. And you never shut up. Look, I know that's going to sound harsh. You want to be a good guest. Anytime you start talking, the same person, once it gets past a couple minutes, you're already getting in an uncomfortable zone. Remember to step back, pass it off to somebody else, all right? And I've seen this happen a million times. I've seen the same people do it a million times. They're so unaware of it. Yes, I'm talking to you, whoever you are. They go up on a live stream, and it starts out normal. Hey, thanks for having me up here, Bob. And they're like, great to have you tonight. And then so what do you think about this, Bob? The host might say, well, blah, 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 and they go on for like 20 or 30 minutes. They start telling you about how they grew up as a kid. They start talking about all their different issues in life, all this, that, blah, 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 blah. And everyone's just sitting there on the panel like, and then you try to like say something and you're like, well, and they're like, blah, 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 and you're like, well, just blah, 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 blah. And yeah, blah, 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 blah. Guys, gals, if you want to be a good guest on a live stream, remember you're part of a team. Learn to pass it off. And if you're a host and you see, I've left live streams, I've had people say I left that live stream. Everyone's just yelling over, talking everyone. Be aware of this as the host. Sometimes you literally got to say, guys, quiet for a minute. Quiet. You got to take back your own live stream and say, we need to talk a little bit more one at a time. Now, we're always going to cut each other off a little bit here and there. We're always going to make little mistakes. But when you catch yourself talking too long and you catch yourself doing that, remember, like, I'm talking too long. Oh, crap. Well, that's all I have to say. Cut yourself off. Back off. And, oh, sorry, I didn't mean to go on like a ramble there. Okay? You want to be a better live streamer. You want to have better live streams. Learn to work as a team. Don't talk too long. All right? Remember, be aware of this. Because some people, I swear, you guys don't care. You get up on a panel and you want to use that as your platform to talk for a half hour. You want to take over that live stream. Don't do it. It's not right for the host. And I kid you not, I hate this. I've had private conversations with friends and we're like, did you see so-and-so? Oh my goodness, they just wouldn't stop talking for like 35 minutes straight, 45 minutes straight. They just wouldn't stop. No one on the panel get a word in edgewise. You don't want that. You want people to say, wow, did you see so-and-so on that live stream? What a great guest. What a great guest. So learn to be quiet sometimes, all right? Learn to be quiet sometimes. As a host, learn to take back your live stream. If it's getting like that and you got a guest on there, you're like, hey, Jim, just chill out for a minute. And what do you think about global warming? No, just kidding. Throw different questions out. Throw them to someone else. That's what I like to do. Like if someone's really talking a lot, I'll be like, hey, just real quick. Ellen, what did you have to say? Right? And you literally get it on to someone else in the stream, and the person that's talking can't talk anymore because now the question's been addressed to someone else. Okay, tell me if you made it through this. Tell me if it helps you. I'm not trying to yell at you, or I'm worked up about this because I want you to have better live streams so I can help one person. I did my job. All right? Just learn to pass. It's like a tennis game. I say some stuff. You say some stuff. I say, serve, love. All right? And if you're doing this, look in that mirror and say, yeah, I'm that guy. I'm that girl. Ah, shoot, I've been doing that. And change. Because then you'll meet a more desired guest also. People that are like that, and I haven't even touched on like what you do on the live stream. If you're a negative, depressing, downing person, that's another issue in itself. People are not going to want you up in their streams if you're always depressed. You're a downer. Oh, my life sucks. You came up to talk about cute puppies, and well, let me tell you about my financial woes, and let me tell you about this, and let me tell you about that. It's terrible. Be a better live streamer. The only way you're ever going to be a better panel guest or have a better panel when you're the host is if you actually are aware of this thing. I can't believe how many people are oblivious. They're actually oblivious that someone is just going on and on, and they won't even cut them off. Or you are doing it and you're unaware of it. You're so tunnel vision. I've been in a chat where I look at the clock. Okay, it's 9:15. My goodness, this person's it's 9:45, 30 minutes. There's 7 other guests, and I haven't heard from one of them. And the person doing it is oblivious that they've done this. How can you be oblivious that you've taken over a live stream? All right, that's it, guys. I am out of here.